Roasted vegetables are one of the most essential side dishes that every new cook should have in their arsenal. They're easy, versatile, and the perfect addition to any meal. Here's how to make them perfectly every time. First up, we're gonna prep our vegetables. We're gonna cut them down so they can all resemble the same sizes. This way, we'll have more surface area. That means they'll have more contact with the pan. It's important to group vegetables by their families. So starchier vegetables like butternut squash, potatoes, and beets are gonna take a longer time to cook. But cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts and cauliflower are gonna take less time to cook. Long story short, the denser the vegetable, the longer it'll take to cook. Olive oil is also key to spreading the heat more evenly all over your veggies. That way they'll get nice and charred. So now for seasoning, we're gonna start with dried herbs. Dried herbs can withstand very long times in the oven and they won't burn. And the fun thing about spices is that you can mix it up. You can choose anything that you'd like. Right now we're gonna try paprika and garlic powder, but honestly you can do chili powder, cumin, onion powder, or you can just keep it super simple with just salt and pepper. The sky's the limit. Now we're ready to roast. You want to roast them at a high temperature like 425 because this is going to give them that crunchy outside and that soft inside we're looking for. Starchier vegetables are going to take about 25 to 30 minutes and your cruciferous vegetables about 15 to 20. Halfway through roasting, you're going to want to take them out and give them a good stir so they can cook and char evenly. When they're done, they should be fork tender and have a nice charred caramelized outside. We're going to add some fresh parsley on this cauliflower just to give it a pop of flavor. And now we're ready to serve. There's so many ways to enjoy these veggies. You can eat them as a side dish with your favorite protein, add them to tacos, or let them be the star of the show and enjoy them over your favorite grain with some pesto. When done correctly, roasted vegetables are one of the simplest yet impressive dishes that will wow at any dinner party, or can be whipped up for an easy weeknight dinner. Learn how to cook them perfectly now, and they'll reward you time and time again.
Oh yes!